Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Fujifilm recently released their Square 1 camera, so I thought I'd take it out for a spin and do a short and simple street photography video on instant film. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Hopefully it does work. Dang it. That shot over there would have been really cool, but those cars are in the way. That's okay though. Also go for it. Hopefully that works out. I'll take one of you real quick. Ooh, right here. Yep, right here. There's a couple walking across the street. I hope we'll be able to pick them up, but it's worth a shot. Right there. Yep. Man, I really hope this one comes out. Hopefully that's cool. Let's cross the street. That's kind of fun. Man, I feel like this would look so cool with a person on the steps, but we'll take what we can get. Nah. Sneaky, sneaky. All right, one more shot. All right, I changed my mind. I'm gonna do this. Okay, last one. Oh man, that would have been cool. Dang it. Oh well, that's fine. I'm excited to look at these. Oh man, this is a good angle too. That's fine. That's the whole point of film, I guess. No take-backs.
Well, Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like it, comment down below what I should cover next. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.